Hello everybody. This is going to be a short video which shows you a really neat technique on how to square two-digit numbers really conveniently. And it comes from the binomial of a square, and some elementary kids may not know that, but if I take 50 plus 7 squared and I apply the square of a binomial, I get this. And we can make that even simpler. So here's what I mean. If I have 57 squared, this is going to be like a 2 or 3 step process to get the answer. So this is going to represent A, and this represents B, A plus B squared. So first I say, what's 5 times 5? 25. What's 7 times 7? 49. So we've already taken care of the 2500 and the 49. How do I take care of this? Well, we're going to go to the next line, put a 0, because we're multiplying by 20, so that's where the one space comes from. We have to shift it to the left. And then I'm going to say, what's 2 times 5 times 7? So that's 5 times 7 is 35. Double that, that's 70. And then I just add it and get my final answer. 3,249. Okay, it gets a lot easier when you do a few examples. So okay, so 62 squared. What's 6 squared? That's 36. What's 2 squared? That's 4, but in the first step, we have to make sure we have 2 spaces here and 2 spaces here. So I have to put 3604. Now, I'm going to put a 0 here. And what's 6 times 2 doubled? So 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And add it and get your answer. 3,844. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so let's do example 3 now. What is 19 squared? So 1 times 1 is 1, but I have to put 2 digits, so 0, 1. What's 9 times 9? 81. Put a 0 here. What's 1 times 9 doubled? That's 18. So I put an 18 here, add everything, 1, 361. Okay, let's keep going. So 86 squared, what's 8 times 8? 64. What's 6 times 6? 36. Put a 0 here. What's 8 times 6 and then times 2? That's 48 times 2, so that's 96. Add them together. 7,396. Let's close it out with a good example. What's 99 squared? So 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 9 is also 81. Put a 0 here. What's 9 times 9 doubled? So that's 81 times 2, which is 81 plus 81. So that's 162. And we just add. So 9,801, okay? So it's a great technique. It makes it a lot easier. And it kind of gives some insight into the algebraic square of a binomial, okay? Good job.